I'm gonna make a snack. Close the fridge while you do it. I need to put stuff back in a minute. Something very bad will happen if you don't close it. I doubt it. You need to trust me. Nothing's gonna happen. You're running out of time. You've awoken me. What the heck? I told you. What's it gonna do?
Beep, beep.
It's just beeping. It gets much worse. You've unlocked my powers. What does that mean? Start running now. Get over here. What's happening? This is what you get for leaving me open. How is it doing this? Now you can never leave me open again. I was just trying to make a snack.